Hello and welcome to a new video on my channel. In this video we're gonna see how to close a full screen cover. There are a few ways to do it, but let's get started. And first let's add a button on the screen to open the full screen cover. The label will be open profile, and for now we're gonna just print something like hello. To add a full screen cover, we just need to use the full screen cover modifier, and here when is presented we need a state variable for the is presented value. So we'll say state var is this will be a bool, and by default it will be false. Okay, we're gonna pass it as a binding by using the $sign, and inside we're gonna pass another view that we'll create on top. Using a struct, we'll say profile view. This will conform to the view protocol, and we're gonna need to define a body property like this, and we'll return a text with profile view. We'll pass this view over here and all should be good. Now first here we're gonna toggle the value when we press on the button, hit save, hit resume. Let's click on the button and we have our full screen cover, but at the moment we cannot close it. So how should we do that? The first method, that's more easiest. Here we can define a binding property and we can name this toggle full screen. This will be a bool like this, and now over here we need to pass it. So here with $, we can pass our full screen cover, and inside here we will add a button to close the full screen cover. Like this. And we'll say toggle full screen. I forgot here the var. Okay, like this. All is good now. And we'll say toggle. We'll hit resume. And now we have our close button, and if we click it, it will close the full screen model. But this is not the only way. There is another way, a cleaner one. So instead of passing the variable through a binding, we can use an environment variable by using the environment property wrapper. Here we need to pass presentation mode because this is the name of the environment variable, and we'll say var presentation mode, and this is how we access it. Here we don't have anymore the full screen variable, so we'll say presentation mode dot wrapped value. This is the actual value that's stored inside the variable, and we'll say dismiss. Here we don't need to pass any binding, and in my opinion this is cleaner. Let's hit resume and see that everything works. So if we press open profile and then close, it will work exactly the same as in the previous scenario, but now we took advantage of our presentation mode environment variable. This is how you can dismiss a full screen cover by using the presentation mode environment variable. If you want to receive more news from my side, don't forget to subscribe. Until the next time, I wish you all the best.